Flowmaster, the performance technology leader, is proud to introduce our new Delta Force cold air intake for the 2015 and newer Ford F-150s equipped with the 3.5L Ecoboost motors. The Delta Force performance air intake system contains an ultra-trick looking custom molded cross-linked polyethylene high flow intake tube, black anodized aluminum fittings, high quality reinforced silicone couplers, all stainless steel hardware. Other features include a large diameter high flow 8-layer cotton gauze air filter, which traps more dirt and dust particles than your typical 6-layer design. A custom black powder coated air dam along with soft bumpers to eliminate any metal to metal contact under the hood. The Delta Force air filters come pre-oiled and are serviceable with our new Delta Force filter tune-up kit, which will help your filter outlast your vehicle. An important thing to note, the Delta Force performance air intakes are 49 state legal and not currently legal for the use or for sale in the state of California. But we're working on that, so periodically check our website for updates. For maximum performance in the iconic Flowmaster exhaust tone, we highly recommend pairing the new Delta Force performance air intake with a Flowmaster exhaust system, such as our American Thunder catback exhaust system. Keep in mind, adding a performance air intake generally may increase the exhaust note. This bolt-on 409S stainless steel system features single 2.5-inch mandrel bend tubing, a 40 series muffler, and polished 3-inch dual exhaust tips with the embossed Flowmaster logos. The American Thunder catback exhaust system gives you maximum power, exterior sound quality, but with a modern and pleasant interior tone at cruising speeds. As an American Thunder system, it is perfect for the person looking for an aggressive exterior sound level with all the performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster. To add even more performance, we recommend adding our Delta Boost Performance Tuner. You'll add an additional 4 psi of boost, up to 18 horsepower and 25 foot-pounds of torque with a simple plug-and-play device from Flowmaster. The module simply installs an inline with the boost sensor in the factory harness and controlled by a downloaded Bluetooth app for both iOS and Android platforms. Now in the app, you have 4 different mode settings. You have valet mode, you have standard mode, basically your stock setting. Then you have sport mode, it's going to increase it by 3 psi. And then you have max mode, it's going to increase by 4 psi. Flowmaster's Delta Boost Performance Tuner, Delta Force Performance Air Intake, and our American Thunder catback exhaust systems are perfect for the person looking for a modern to aggressive exterior sound level with all the performance benefits you expect from Flowmaster. And each system is dyno tuned for maximum performance. Alright, we got our Ford F-150 fully Flowmaster equipped. We got the American Thunder catback exhaust system, the Delta Force Performance Intake, and the Delta Boost Performance Tuner. We're going to put this thing in max mode, which can give us 4 pounds of boost over stock. It's going to help out with that turbo lag, give us better horsepower and better torque. So I don't know about you, but I'm ready to hit the road. Okay, we got our key to the on position. We got our Delta Boost app open up. We're already connected to the vehicle. We're in standard mode. We're going to switch this over to max mode. Basically give us 4 pounds of boost over stock. We're going to go ahead and swipe the gauge on. We're going to go ahead and calibrate it. Hit OK. Now we're ready to go ahead and start this thing up. If you're looking to dress up the look of your Ford F-150 along with an increase of power with a powerful performance sound, then the Delta Boost Performance Tuner, the Delta Force Performance Intake, and the American Thunder exhaust system are for you. These systems include all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation, are manufactured right here in the USA, and are covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty or a 1-year warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.